So what's up, everybody? I want to talk to you about a social media content calendar. All right, a lot of people don't tell you this unless you hire them as a mentor or coach, and they'll show you how to map out one, create one, and how to use one. We're going to show you how to do it for free, and I'm also going to give you a template of one I actually use that my VAs and my staff created for me that keeps me on track and keeps me focused. All right, so I'm going to first break down why it is you need one, and then I'm going to show you how to actually use the template that I gave you so that you can be more productive with your content. All right. So first, let me tell you some of the reasons why you need one. So one of the reasons why you need a social media content calendar, because it saves you time and helps you organize all of the processes that go into marketing and advertising and promoting your product and keeping all your ideas and your plan and your strategy and your tactics all together. All right. So a social media calendar can help you save time by keeping all of your ideas and your posts all in one place. A calendar also allows you to create content in advance when you have the big picture of when everything is meant to go out. All right, so in the affiliate income network system, I help you with creating a plan and the strategy and the blueprint before you actually get heavily invested into the journey of affiliate marketing or digital products or whatever business you may have. I'll show you what to do beforehand before you actually venture out. All right, but all this can help you mitigate the risk of making mistakes, okay, by allowing you to review the content ahead of time. All right, it also helps you improve your posting consistency. All right, so a lot of people struggle with that, and one of the reasons people struggle is because they claim they get content or creators block. They don't know what to post. Their time is all over the place. They haven't created a routine or a habit. All right, so this will help you do that, improve your consistency. All right, because listen, growing an audience is no longer as simple as just posting when you feel like it. Consistency factors into a lot of problems, decisions to push certain content. So basically, the more consistently you post, the better your chances of getting in front of your target audience. All right, frequency is something we think about a lot, right? And while we want to maintain a constant social presence, we use the calendar to plan for the seasonal and the flows of business and wrap up and scale back posts accordingly. All right. So that is a quote from a guy called Fig Loans. All right. Another reason that you want to use a social media calendar, because it helps you create higher quality content. All right. When you're not consistent and you're putting stuff out on social media, right? And you don't have a plan, you don't have it organized all in one place with like something as simple as a social media content calendar, right? You're gonna just start winging it and just throwing out stuff, and it's just going to be all over the place. It's not going to get you the results you need. And imagine how it looks on the other side to the viewer who's watching it. So when you start organizing your content topics, either on your own or with a team, the chances are that through a surge of creativity, you could end up with a lot of new ideas. All right, even if something can't be used immediately, you can save it for future use. All right, so mixing new ideas with evergreen content can be a good way to make sure your calendar is always updated. All right, now every platform has different rules, but Planet Free's channel can help you identify opportunities to repurpose your content or create entirely new posts, man. And this happens to me all the time. All right. So another reason, man, it's all about analytics. All right. Marketing is testing and learning. All right. Marketing is testing and learning. So with a content calendar, you guys, it's going to help you improve your tracking and analyze your performance, help you analyze your performance. So a calendar can help you track your posts. And if you're running ads or even some type of campaigns, and you can even run organic campaigns. Everybody always says paid ads, but you can run an actually organic campaign. So, but by monitoring and analyzing your audience's engagement and their feedback, you can gain valuable insights into their preferences, all right, which you can later apply to your content. So you'll be able to see what people are actually interested in, what reactions you're getting from the people that help you put out the content that they want to see more of. All right. I see a lot of people, I can almost tell on the surface going to their profile that they're not really paying attention to the analytics. They don't have no plan, no structure. And a lot of people book me, and I look at their profile and I be like, yo, why aren't you doing more of these videos? Or why did you stop doing this right here? You did this for a couple of videos and you stopped. For example, they might have been driving in their car, and then they never, and while they were driving in their car, they were recording content, and then they never did any content like that. But those 2 videos, or that 1 video that they recorded driving in their car talking about this subject right here, has a significantly large amount of views and engagement versus the other videos. But they never pay attention to that, right? And they go back to doing whatever they were before that probably wasn't as effective or wasn't even working at all. A good thing about a content calendar also, it's designed for long-term success. So if you really are taking this seriously, you guys, all right, you want to be in it for the long haul, right? You want to start doing things that's going to empower you to be in this game for as long as possible. Because a well-organized social media calendar can set you up for long-term success, and it doesn't have to stifle your creativity either. Think of a calendar as setting up systems so you have all the time in your future to think up amazing new ideas. You might also find that a calendar helps during dry spells and helps you identify old but evergreen content that can be recycled. So you can get into reposting or just recreating or updating when things have changed and whatever the subject matter of your content is. All right, so I'm gonna share my screen in a little bit. Bear with me. I'm gonna take you to the content calendar. So around this video or around this post, okay, you will have a link to get this social media content calendar for free, okay? And I want you to use it and use it well. But I want to, when you click the link, okay, just one quick thing, you want to, it's gonna open up. It's gonna open up in Google Sheets. All right, so you may not be able to edit it, okay, but it is editable. You just have to take this step right here. You're gonna go to File and you're gonna click Make a Copy. All right, when you click Make a Copy, it's gonna make a copy of this particular Google Sheet or the social media content calendar template, and then you can go in and start editing. Okay, so that's very simple. Make sure you do that. All right, but this is for the month of May. All right, so this is the template. So everything is erased, okay? But this is the month of May. So I have the first all the way down to the last day of May, okay? All right, and cool things about this calendar, you can plan monthly holidays, and that'll also give you some good ideas to maybe you can talk about and relate it back to your niche. All right, so holidays will help you. All right, I know we just had May the 4th. I didn't do anything with that, but there could be something cool that you can go about Star Wars and relate it back to your niche. All right, but this is what you want. You want to keep track of the date of your posting. All right. And then you're gonna keep track of the hashtags you're using in each post, okay? All right, so you can put your hashtags here for that video. All right, so now you can come back and see which hashtags that you are that are performing the best and remove the ones that aren't helping you. All right, and then you want to keep track of what time that you're posting, okay? And be as detailed and specific as possible, okay? And if you would forget the time, whatever platform you're posting on, if you go into the studio or analytics mode of that platform, it can tell you the exact time you posted, okay? Then we have the content pillar. Now, I'm not going to make this video about pillars, all right, but it's basically the type of content that you're putting out each day and each week, right? So it could be motivational, educational, inspirational, entertaining, or promotional. All right, so you want to put what type of content that you put out, all right? What type of pillar that you use, all right? And then you want to pay attention to your hooks, okay? What hooks are working, what could be better. You can come back and look at it. And then there's a formula to putting out content. So you want to have a strong hook in the first 3 to 5 seconds, state the problem, all right? In addition to that, you want to have a solution to that problem, all right? But more importantly, guys, you want to make sure you have a strong call to action, because that's what increases your engagement, increases your following, and increases your income. All right. Once you've given people information, you want to tell them what to do. All right. So you want to document what call to actions you were using in those videos. All right. Now, when you get over to your social media platforms or whatever, so right here we have Facebook right here. So if you're posting on Facebook, you want to make sure that you are documenting what platform you're using. Same thing for Instagram, TikTok, and even YouTube. All right, so I don't have all the social media platforms on here, you guys, but these are probably the biggest and most popular ones. All right, but in this platform, you want to put you can put your likes, you can put your views, you can put your comments, your shares, your favorites, whatever for that particular video. But you'll know this is what's happening on Facebook, this is what's happening on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. All right, so you'll know, hey, I'm not doing over here on Instagram, but over here on YouTube or YouTube Shorts, I'm really crushing it. I need to put some more energy into that. All right, and this is, as you're going, you can just check this off and see if it's been scheduled or not scheduled. And then of course, notes is notes, some things, some takeaways, some things you learned. Maybe the video could be shorter, maybe it was too long, maybe there was some bad editing, maybe you found out something later after you posted, never use that trending sound again, or whatever that could be. All right, but I wanted to just show you how to do this in this video. Okay. Now at the bottom, these are all the months. You can click each month. All right, so this would be June. We have July. All right, we have August. All right, all those cool things. All right, and then also we have the social, the post. So this is what you can put after you post. This is your notes. So this will all be in one place. Okay. So at the end of each week, you want to go back and see a snapshot of everything that's been happening that was good or bad. All right. So you can put the type of post that was the best or the worst, the views, the likes, the followers, the best platform for that week, and then add your notes there. So this is up under your post, social media post calendar tab. And then I also took the liberty, you guys, I broke all of this down. I told you I got this, man. The best platforms in their times. Okay, this maybe could change. All right, but right now this is what it is. And then depending on what niche you're in, what I also have some best times to post with those. Keep in mind, like I said, guys, I work with a lot of different people from different niches. Okay, so you can depending on what niche or audience you're trying to reach, this will help you out as well. This is going to be up on the best times to post. All right, and right here is just some information to help you get started. Okay, all right. You could just read over that. This is something I got from HubSpot, and this may help you as well. But all the sauce and stuff and everything that may help you get better will be here. All right. I hope this helps you out, you guys. If you have any questions, you know what to do. You can go to dadlearnsmoney.com, book a one-on-one session with me. Make sure you get my book at ratetheinternet.com. All right. And the link to get this free calendar should be either in this post or somewhere in the description of this video. Thank you guys. Stay blessed.